Hello everyone, my name is Christian Jericho Reganit Kibali, originally from Victoria Tarlac, but is now residing in Barangay 650, Port Area, Manila. So welcome to my self-introduction presentation. My name again is Christian Jericho, but you can call me Echo, like the reverberation of sound. So since the subject is technopreneurship, I want to understand how technology and entrepreneurship come together. I'm curious about starting a tech-based business in the future and understanding the process of innovation. I expect to gain real-world insights and develop my entrepreneurial mindset in this course. So my expectations from my classmates or groupmates are that they are open for teamwork, creative, and open for communication. I'm excited to collaborate with people who are motivated and could speak their mind. I believe we can learn a lot from each other's ideas and experiences, so communication is really important. My expectation for our professor is that he or she becomes our guide in the journey. I expect our professor to be engaging, inspiring, and approachable. I hope for constructive feedbacks that help us grow. That's why I'm excited to learn from someone who has experience in technopreneurship. What I'm willing to do for this course is that I'm willing to step out of my comfort zone. I'll participate actively and contribute to our group works. I want to make the most of this class by staying curious and driven because I dream of building something meaningful that can help people. This course would be my first step toward that dream. I'm looking forward for an exciting and productive term with all of you. See you soon.